Condolence meeting on death of Governor Dr. Syed Ahmad held. Chief Minister says Governor Ahmad was a great leader and eminent personality whom Manipur will always remember. NIPCO claims hill districts of Manipur distributed among NACN-IM KNO to be part of Nagalim and proposed Kuki state. And collection of waste from households and shops in Imphal city stops due to lack of proper landfill. Hello and welcome to Primetime English News. I'm Tenshwam Sangeeta with all the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobising today chaired a condolence meeting on the death of Governor Dr. Syed Ahmad, which was attended by cabinet ministers, Congress MLAs, top police and civil officers held at the conference hall of Old Secretariat Complex. The dignitaries paid floral tributes to Governor Ahmad and observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect. The state is condoling the loss by hoisting the Indian tricolour at half-mast at government offices. State government had declared 3-day mourning since yesterday with national flag to be flown at half-mast. Speaking at the meeting, Chief Minister Okram Ibobising expressed grief at not being able to attend the last rites of Dr. Syed Ahmad due to shortage of time and non-availability of flight. Chief Minister termed Governor a great leader and an eminent personality whom the state will always remember. Meanwhile, last rites of Governor Dr. Syed Ahmad was performed in Mumbai at 11 a.m. today. State PHED Minister I. Hemochandra attended the funeral service on behalf of the state.
Including myself, Honorable Deputy CM, some of the ministers would like to join here at his last rite. But unfortunately, there is no flight we attempted. It is unfortunate for us. He was here for a brief short period of time. He was a great leader, every one of us will aware that. An eminent personality. I, on behalf of the people of Manipur, extend our heartfelt condolence to his family. May his soul rest in peace.
Rishikanta Yumnam, General Secretary of NIPCO, today said central officials visiting Churachandpur to take stock of the situation in the aftermath of the violent incident clearly shows the central government's tactics of divide and rule policy in Manipur. Violence erupted after State Assembly passed 3 bills to safeguard the indigenous people. Speaking at the 15th Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day observance, jointly organized by Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalub Amkil and National Identity Protection Committee NIPCO at Lamyan Basanglen Palace Compound, Rishikanta further maintained that hills of Manipur are distributed among NACN-IM and Kuki National Organization KNO to be part of Greater Nagaland and proposed Kuki state. He said the prevailing situation cannot be taken lightly and we must stand united to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state. Speaking as a resource person, Dr. Rajendra Khetri, Professor of Sociology, Manipur University, said the current issue is caused by cultural superiority and misunderstanding among various ethnic groups and need to look a new way of living together.
Masakaki Kalaga, a hen Bolangan, Amatalakwa, Matandadi, Wataba, India government team you lucky. Town Masina Tapadi, Manipuda, Yellow Medagi, Kunamina Gova, Prup Singu, Tokai Tahanaba, Silapa, Amasu, Silapa, India government kit Tuxili, Manipurgi NSN, Iamga, Kenoga, Manipurgi Sing Sing, Asi, Nagalim, Amasum, Kuki, State Marakta, and Toklare, Haibatari, the Paklangi, Kunaina, Karamna Mayo, Jagadagi, Haina.
Collection of waste from households and shops in Imphal city has stopped due to lack of proper landfill. Imphal Municipal Corporation, in association with NGO, collect daily household waste with the aim to keep Imphal city clean. However, vehicles filled with waste materials collected 5 days earlier are still lying in the Imphal Municipal Corporation complex. Speaking to Impact News, General Secretary of Environment for Urban Development Organization, Longjam Amarjit appealed to the government to provide proper landfill as soon as possible for the welfare of the people, unless collection of waste from house and shops in Imphal will remain discontinued. Amarjit also appealed to general public to cooperate to find a landfill.
प्रजासिंगनसु अखोई गाड़ी लाक्ति एनसु दुम अखोइदा दुम एनजीओ सिंगदा दुम वारोबा अदुबु एनजीओ ददी गवर्नमेंट पिरक्त्रबनिना अखोइदा अवाबो कयाम लैबा लौथौरगा एक्सेप्टफम लैतदना हुजिसि अखोइ सगोनजे निमित्तगी पोसे हापसलगा गाड़ी हापसलगा थाबम लैतदना लैरे गवर्नमेंट अखोइ हाइजेनिंगिसि अथु मतमदा अखोइ एनजीओ सिंगी याइफनब नुगाइना अमदि प्रजासिंगदा अखोइ सेवा तौरिबसे मनिंग मखा तमक अखोइ याम सांगना तौबं नगमनबगी दमकता अखोइ मफम चाबा अखोइ डंपिंग अमा बिबिबा याम कुइना सांगना अदुगुम अमा बिबिबा पामी.
Titular King Laisimba Sanajawa made offerings to the departed souls who sacrificed their lives for the sake of Manipur in Khongjom War on the occasion of Langban Tarpon Katpa at Khongjom War Memorial Complex today. The event was organized by Khongjom War Memorial Trust Manipur. Trust President M. Hemanta said the event is organized to show respect to our forefathers. He hoped that today's event will bring peace and prosperity in the state. Hemanta said it is important that all the communities in the state live together in peace and harmony.
Manipur da hingiba jati khudimangna amatta oina Manipur gi namkhai natraga Manipur gi ningtamba amasung shanti oina hingjaba matamda ekoi punna leminaba haibo wakhalot asida kasabani ekoi khudimak ongna brajaba sigi gunchen mama khoi oiba dakar oi mamangai da ningthu palingai matamda leiram baining thungna leipak ningba manba adu hojiki lengak sa sonda leiba singna leipak ningba mandaba askum ba wakhalon asi honna tanarma tungda ningthu leishembana kasi busingal che haidna trasa lobadi chani.
As part of the Jananeta Hijam Irabad Remembrance Week organized by Joint Student Coordination Committee JSCC, poetry competition was held today at Multipurpose Hall of Manipur College. Around 50 students from class 9 till postgraduate level participated in the event, divided in Group A and Group B. 4 lecturers of LMS Law College, Christian Damdai College and MU Manipuri Department were the judge. A one-day symposium program on works of Gi Chandra Tongbra, popularly known as GC Tongbra, was held today. The program was jointly organized by Sahitya Academy and Manipur Literary Society at Hindi Parishad in Old Assembly. The event discussed the role taken by the late writer in the literary world of Manipur drama history. As part of the function, 23rd volume of journal Sahitya Laichal was released by Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi convener Professor H. Bihari. The journal is published every 6 months. A 2-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to late Governor Dr. Syed Ahmed, who died in a hospital in Mumbai yesterday. Ngairambam Ranbir Maitai and S. Somerendro have been unanimously elected President and General Secretary of BJP Kurai Mandal at an election held today at Sangeet Kala Sangam Hall, Kurai. Welcoming the newly elected President and General Secretary, State Secretary Laisanthem Susindro expressed optimism that under the leadership of Ranbir and Somerendro, BJP will be able to shine in the upcoming 2017 Manipur general election. Meeting of Kurai, Thanga and Nambol Mandals will be held shortly.
Handaki laiba BJP ki organization asidada yamna sincerely tawbasi nasigizina hamboin ui sina maram oiraga soina Kurai kendrada amuk halaga koi mathangi election dadi koi leader singna hona biraga soidna mai pakpa election amu oirakani na khale aduga organization gi oina su akoi hena mai pakpa adu mayam na su nasigi tin griba miam sina takpadi akoi Kurai da anamna BJP pame haibasina sigi miam gi kanosina pongtui.
Director, Indian Institute of Pulse Research, Kanpur, Dr. N.P. Singh said production of pulses in the entire northeast is just 20% and remaining 80% is imported from other states of India. Replying to a query on the sideline of the special meeting on promotion of pulses in northeastern region held at the conference hall of Central Agriculture University, Dr. N.P. Singh said the reason why farmers in northeast region do not cultivate pulses is because of presence of high acid in the soil and risk incurred in cultivating pulses. The 2-day special meeting is jointly organized by Indian Institute of Pulse Research, Kanpur and Directorate of Research, Central Agriculture University, Imphal. Scientists from Manipur and other parts of the country took part in the meeting. Experts at the meeting opined that the quality of pulses grown in northeast is superior. However, only 176.44 metric ton are produced out of 831.98 metric ton required annually.
Huge rice fallow. After rice, there is no other crop. So we feel that after rice, the pulses we can grow, which require very little nutrient and water, and they also restore the fertility. So if we do it, perhaps fertility of the other crops, your soil can be increased, and productivity of rice can be also increased. So this is what we are planning to do. Indian Institute of Policy Research, which is located in the country, Kanpur, along with the Central Agriculture University and ICR Research Complex, so they should come together and make a very special efforts to promote pulses in the region, so that region become self-sufficient in the pulses.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Father's Field, a book based on Second World War written by Raghu Karnad, was released today at an event organized by Manipur Tourism and Maharaj Kumari Binodini Devi Foundation at MFDC Hall Palace Compound. Releasing the book, Vice President of Maharaj Kumari Binodini Devi Foundation, R.K. Nimai said it is the first book written by an Indian on Second World War, which will give a new outlook to the people of Manipur on the war. The book, published by Fourth Estate HarperCollins Publishers, dwelt on battles fought between British Indian Army and Imperial Japanese Army in the northeast, including Manipur. Author Raghu Karnad said the book will help revisiting the role taken by British Indian Army in the Second World War and the path to Indian independence. A discussion was also held on the occasion with L. Somiroy as the moderator.
In Manipur, the war came and swept practically across the entire state. So almost anyone who belongs to that generation, for them, their earliest memories, the memories of their childhood, the oldest people in the society here are people for whom their first memories are of the Second World War. It's a part of our national legacy and the legacy of our communities. It's a story, it's a saga that is as great as anything that Indians have ever participated in. It's a crucial piece of the story of how the Indian Army came to be and how India itself reached freedom.
Second Guru Ngasepam Tombi Memorial Wari Liba Festival 2015 began today at Kala Vidyan Bhavan Hall. The festival is organized by Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur in association with Kurai Kala Vidyan Bhavan. 13 artists are taking part in the festival. Director, Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur, Takilambam Shamkanai said the festival is being organized in honor of late gurus of the dying art form.
Wari Festival asida temiriba halamasing library singna ekoi matam punmakta Wari Liba si mut kidanaba hen sakonaba madu honanaba ai appeal tawjari.
Locals of Thanga, Ithing and Sendra and members of United Clubs of Thanga blocked the Sendra-Thamangkhong road since early morning today. The road was blocked in protest against the failure of the government to repair the stretch. Protesters prevented tourists from visiting Sendra. Apart from the road, Thanga-Kaibulamjau road was also blocked by the protesters. Annual grant to the Handloom Cluster of Bishnupur was today distributed at an event organized by Office of the Handloom and Textile Bishnupur and Handloom Cluster Bishnupur at Ibudho Uknaril Sangle Ningdhokhong. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthujum handed the checks to 11 clusters. Weavers also exhibited their products at the event where top officials of Commerce and Industries Department were present. A month-long National Sanitation Campaign 2015 for Chandel District kicked off today as part of Swachh Bharat Mission with a rally. The rally was organized by District Water and Sanitation Committee Chandel and Private School Association Chandel from Indoor Stadium. Chandel ADC member Tongsing Willingson flagged off the rally in presence of District Coordinator PHED Chandel Division, Jameson Bungdon, President Private School Association Chandel RDU Joy Kumar and village chiefs. Students from various schools and ADC members took part in the rally that culminated at DC office Chandel. Earlier participants of the rally observed a 2-minute silence as mark of respect to late Dr. Syed Ahmed, Governor of Manipur. Commandant Area Battalion of Red Shield Division inaugurated a water supply scheme under Border Area Development Program at Kankap village of Singhal Subdivision, Churachampur district on 17th of September. PRO Defence in a press release said Kankap is a remote and isolated village along the international border, and due to the terrain and geographic configuration of the area, the village faces acute shortage of water throughout the year. Yaikom Boicha, also known as Priyojit from Uripok Bachaspati Laikai, was severely assaulted by 4 persons last night. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Yaikom Boicha said at around 10:30 p.m. last night, 4 persons came in a red car and nabbed him from Hotel Tampa at North AOC and took him to Porumpa's side and then to a foothill. They started beating him at gunpoint, blaming him he is a KCP cadre. Taking advantage of night, he saved his life jumping in a gorge. Bocha's wife, Abe, said her husband works in a pharmacy near Rims Road and appealed to all concerned to clarify the reason behind the brutal assault.
I know Pagan White Kanagum to Koil, give late away Naharo Sangal, don't give us late the away commando Sangatona, give late the away Kanagum Diga, Mailin, Aide, Koinomi, Pramas, Pamino, Juraganoma, Saba Minia, away in Padasugam Tina Pubira Cose. When I know Padakai, White Labor, you know, have a dog, Chantuning Bame, I give a motadi.
Now, some sports news. Trau Kwakat Hill defeated ZFC Churachandpur by 1-0 in the Manipur State League, which was stopped for a week due to bad weather. The lone goal was scored by defender Herojit in a penalty kick. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association at Mapal Kangjebung. Southern Sporting Union Singjamoi will play against Manipur Police Sporting Club in the first match, while Neroka Sangapam will clash with Young Physic Union Lalambung in the second match tomorrow. ABA Khetragaon won its match, while match between DOAK Akampat and MHGAU Hata went for a 2-2 draw in the Maharaj Kumar Ghanindrajit Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament. In the first match, ABA Khetragaon defeated ESU Wangai by 3-1. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Social Workers Congress Common Ground. Bodybuilding Association of Imphal West District will organize Imphal West District Bodybuilding Championship at Pathway Part 4 Community Hall on 18th of October under the aegis of All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association. Government Senior Secondary School from Alakpura Bhiwani will clash with Chanambam Thambau High Secondary School Manipur in the 56th Subrata Cup International Football Tournament Junior Girls Under 17. Government Senior Secondary School from Alakpura Bhiwani edged past 14BN NCC Manipur 2-1 in the second semi-final played on Sunday at the Ambedkar Stadium, New Delhi. In the first semi-finals action, Chanambam Thambau Higher Secondary School Manipur defeated Sports School Nagaland 6-4 via a penalty shootout. In the title clash on Tuesday, both the finalists can draw enough inspiration from London Olympics bronze medal winner MC Mericom, who will be the chief guest. With that is a wrap. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Condolence meeting on death of Governor Dr. Syed Ahmad Hair. Chief Minister says Dr. Ahmad was a great leader and eminent personality whom Manipur will always remember. NIPCO claims hill districts of Manipur distributed among NSC and IM KNO to be part of Greater Nagaland and proposed Kuki state. And collection of waste from households and shops in Imphal city stops due to lack of proper landfill. Thank you very much for being with us. Up next, Manipuri Primetime News, followed by discussion show Mano Hutna. Thank you for watching Primetime English News. From me and my team here, goodbye, good night.